Hi everyone, so the purpose of the screencast is to show a bit complicated system called lobby browsing. So lobby browsing is not really something new in the game world, so we designed that in order to join the game, the player able to see all of the available room in the server and then just click one of the room and then you can join in that room. So I'm just gonna show you how it works first, and then we can go into the scripts on see how the backend works. Now, if you go to play game and join game, if I create, so currently there's no room because no one creates a room right now, but I have it on my phone ready. So if I create a room called my room in my phone, say it show up on the PC that okay on the server currently now there's a room called my room and then you're allowed to join that. So what a player can do is just type in his nickname. So for now I'm just gonna see PC because I'm currently on the PC, and then just click that my room. So you see if it's here it's filled. That is saying that I'm currently selecting that room, and then I can just join that room as a player. So that is how lobby listing works. So basically, every time I see on the join room, I can see all of the list of the available lobbies, and then um, I can join any of them. Now let's go into the scripts now. Now in the demonstration, it might look simple, but the fact is because we are using a third-party server system, which is uh, uh, Pon 2, which is Photon Unity Networking. So basically, so Pwn here. So basically, Pwn doesn't really have anywhere that I can just simply call. Okay, just give me all of the room list. So I have to cache the room myself and then display that in the game. So here, okay, not this one. Room listing menu. Yeah. So this is the key function that enable all the update browsers. So basically, Pwn documentation says that if I if I am in the room or I am in the lobby, every time I go in and go out on that lobby, this method will get called and then it will return all of the room lists that is get adapted. Now, because I have to go in and go out of the lobby in order to make it updated, or like in order to get the room list, I have to cache this room list for myself. So hence the for each here. So the for each basically saying if there's an existing of, so I have a less called listings here. If there's an existing room info, if I already have that room info in my cache, just remove that because I don't want a double room displayed on the screen. But if I don't have that, just display the room and then put that in the listing. So basically that's how the cache works. So I just so whole this just handles how the caching works. So now room listing is just individual room. If you see the object of the buttons that you can click on the room, it's just basically just store a room info and a text, and then basically you can set the room info so you can get the name of the text. We can get the how many player there, but I don't think currently there's a nice way on the UI to do that. So currently we just get the text of the room, and then this update selected room. Basically, that allows you to, if I click one of those room, the name of whatever the selected room is the same of whatever I click. So that is how the caching works. So I mentioned there a slightly brief, slightly that you have to be in the lobby, and then you have to go in and go out. So basically the way we split up here, lobby and room is kind of a bit different. So lobby, in my understanding here, is something on Pwn RPC say that you are connected on the lobby and the server. So basically you are in the server. So when you're connected to the server, a player should join a lobby. That's when this function get called, and then that is able to update whatever the room list that you get currently on the server. Now, every time you join a room, or you create a room, you have to get out from that lobby because you cannot in the same room and lobby. So Basically, on join room, I have to check if I am in the lobby, then leave the lobby, and then join the room. Because if I'm on the main menu, I have to join the lobby in order to get that, in order to get this function updated. But if I am in the room, I have to get out from the lobby because I don't want to receive all of this information that I get from the lobby. So hence, I have to get out from the lobby first in order to join the room. So that is the basically how it works. Now, I won't say this is perfect because the way cache and stuff like that is very custom. This is something that I made myself. I think this is would work. Of course, there's some tutorial that I saw as well, but I basically get that tutorial and then just get the bits and pieces into just bits that I need for example, this room listing and stuff like that. But basically, I kind of deform those tutorials into whatever I need on the project. So I will provide the links on the page that I'm gonna be posting this into. So be sure to visit that if you want, if you're interested on following the same tutorial that I follow. It provide a better explanation on how the caching works as well. So that is the logic or how the overview how the lobby scripting kind of works. And obviously, I also add in a couple of checks. So basically, if your nickname is null or like your room name is null, it's not that you cannot create or join a room. So that's basically what I did on the lobby scripting. As I said, I will post the link on the tutorial that I follow. So if you guys are interested, you can just follow that link as well. So thank you very much. I hope this is useful.